Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to reset password for the laptop. Today we have a Toshiba laptop over here. I'm gonna show you how to reset your password. Maybe you forgot your password some days back, so I'm here to solve your problem. So what we do, just on the right hand press the shift button, hold it, the shift button, then you go to there, you see where the arrow is, and click it, then you restart, then restart it anyway.
Okay. Oh. Sate atimia. Ibiro yudo e stage maduong' kodi malo. Ema tie. Sagi. Ai.
Now then go to troubleshoot.
Time out.
Then you go to reset this PC. Then you go to remove everything.
Hello. Kama kurudi hajashindwa. Nasema. Utakuta kama 20 minutes. Amena jo vingine alikuwa anataka jo vingine hapa leta Sony. Kama nikamwambia ngoja ya 20 minutes atakuja.
So here you just go to only the drive where Windows installed, and maybe you click it. Then you just go to remove files. Here just remove files, not full file, but you go here and you click, and it gets things ready for you. Just get things ready for you. So now after reaching this side, then what you do, you go to reset, just click reset, then you sit back, wait for it until everything will be done for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for my channel. And for me, I just have to cancel because I know my password. Thank you.